Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you the best cleaner app for iPhone, which is Clean My Phone. Clean My Phone is a popular choice for iPhone users looking to optimize their device's performance and free up storage space. Here's a brief review on it. Clean My Phone boasts a sleek and intuitive design, making it easy for users with all technical levels to navigate and clean their iPhones efficiently. It has a junk file cleanup, photo optimization tool, and app management. Also, Clean My Phone ensures better privacy by clearing sensitive data, such as browser history, cookies, and stored password from your device. The app also identifies background processes and resource-heavy apps, helping to optimize system performance and extend battery life. To get it, all you have to do is go to the App Store, search for Clean My Phone, and then download the app and start using it right now. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.